Okay, welcome back. Remember that time I talked about one BTO very famous one, got the aircon piping problem. I got a solution really. But I must disclaimer, it's still not nice. Okay, we are at the master bedroom. Okay, instead of making you look at the wall, I let you look at this one, the aircon pipe opening. Yeah. This is where it comes in. So we go up into the ceiling, go here, then come here, then we come down. How come we need to go up then come down? It's because the door frame here not enough space. There's no space between the beam and the door frame, so we cannot usually just drill through. So that's the problem we have here. The water will be very ugly. The water pipe goes across the door frame. It actually eats into the door frame, then goes into the master here. Then the pipe going to the next room, very ugly also. There will be a 4-inch by 4-inch pipe here. After the beam, then we punch in here. Later I show you all the HDB given layout. Very interesting. HDB, I know they make a mistake already, then they give us a very funny and ugly layout. Okay, here. Then just now we have pipe behind, right? Then we use this door frame space about 2 inches. 2 inches space, we come out for the living room. This one is a deviation from the HDB recommended route already, because this is a nicer route. The water and gas will come here, straight across. 压到这个门头will be on top of the, will hit the door frame. Go here, then go under. After under already, then go up for the aircon. We'll do another shoot when all these works are completed. Then you all can see the aircon will be here. But because this beam is very thick, very ugly one, the pipe will be half up. Come up here. Very ugly. Very ugly. This road is not so ugly already. Not so ugly already. Okay, this room, the HDB give us a very ugly layout. We have covered the unit address. All this. HDB give us a very ugly layout, but we are not using this layout. We are shifting the pipe down here and then come out here and drill in here. So it looks less ugly. No need go up. No need go up. So we change the HDB layout to like this. Aircon unit here, gas pipe, same as the beam level, go here. Water has to be slightly lower because we are drilling past the beam. So water have come down here. Very ugly. Then go, come down. Come down already, go through, past the beam area. There's a pillar at the back. There's a pillar at the back. So past the beam area, then go through. Okay, so I come to show you all, very funny. HDB know they make a mistake already. So they give each homeowner an email telling them how to run the piping. But to be honest, if you make a mistake, such a big project, you should be going to redo the door frame for people. Instead of telling people how to do this so ugly. Right? So I think it's not the correct way. I personally feel that it's very unprofessional. Okay, then we go to the next. This one is the master. That's the route that we recommend. They actually draw for you, They actually go get some contractor to go and nail the casing in for you. So ugly. Because a lot of people complain, go on to newspaper on this unit. One more. Living room. Living room, you see? We come out from here, then go here. We didn't we followed this route, come out, go here. So that's a problem that we face. So sometimes it's very sad. Very sad that we have this kind of issue. 你对我
你讲得出可以谈。
OK。
你讲这一般的原因。
OK。Since it's so difficult, we think about 10 years later already. Because it's so difficult next time when they want to change aircon how. This cabinet, the top part, I put the cabinet to be movable one. That means can remove the cabinet one. Here got built-in wardrobe. The other side also have. 给我多2分钟啊，一下子就好了。Then here, the cabinet will be from this wall to about here. So this cabinet can also be removed. I'll make a removable cabinet, so next time when they want to change the gas pipe, it's changeable. This one is pre-planning, thinking 10 years in advance already. Because aircon cannot last 10, 12 years, we must change already. We must think of all these things. But a lot of carpenters, they don't care. They really don't care. So that's why it pays to be detailed, and all these workmanship issues and also pre-planning for your 10 years later, I think it's worth more than what you pay for outside. So that's why when some people compare, they say, hey, my prices expensive. But you must understand they are professional. Professional pre-planning all this, it takes time, effort and experience. So it's like you go to a surgeon, you cannot expect the surgeon to operate on you for less than 20,000, right? So same thing, the operation is not a GP. Or GP $20 can settle, cannot, not $20 cannot, $50, GP $50. Surgeon is expensive. So I'm the operation theatre surgeon for renovation. Okay, anyway, our event is this Saturday. So, how to sign up with us, how to become a customer. First thing, you need to come to the sales event to meet us. When is the sales event, please WhatsApp in and then find out for the next date. Our WhatsApp number is 9007 3368. 9007 3368. After you have WhatsApp in ready, our admin will handle your case. We will ask you your floor plan, when you're getting the house, and things like that. So then we will give you the date to come to the sales event to see us. After you have seen us ready, if you think they're the right match, then you can engage us, and then we can move to the next stage and so-called become a confirmed customer. So we don't do defect check for all the Singapore. We don't do only our own customer we do, because we really no time. We can only serve our customer. So with that, I will go and continue enjoy my defect checking because I haven't finished, and then enjoy the view of the house also. And then I got to finish before 7 though, because the sun gonna set. Then I got no more lights already. Sun gonna set already. You can see the shadows. Sun gonna set soon. Very beautiful. Once again, our WhatsApp number 9007 3368. 9007 3368. WhatsApp in. If you want to engage with us, then we let you come to the sales event. It's okay. Then you can see us. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.